Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. Today we are going to solve a few questions on real analysis. The question is, let f be the function from pi comma 2 pi to r2 where ft is equal to cos t comma sin t, then which are necessarily correct? Option A, there exists t naught belonging to pi comma 2 pi such that f dash t naught is equal to 1 by pi into f of 2 pi minus f of pi. Now, the right side is 1 by pi into f of 2 pi minus f pi is equal to 1 by pi cos 2 pi comma sin 2 pi minus cos pi comma sin pi, which is equal to 1 by pi 2 comma 0, and the left side, that is f dash t naught, is equal to minus sin t naught comma cos t naught. Now comparing both, we get that minus sin t naught comma cos t naught is equal to 1 by pi 2 comma 0. Now very clearly there does not exist any such t naught, so option A is incorrect, whereas option B is correct. Option C, there exists t naught belonging to pi comma 2 pi such that mod of f2 pi minus f pi less than equal to pi into mod of f dash t naught. Now, mod of f2 pi minus f pi is equal to mod of 2 comma 0, that is equal to 2 less than equal to pi into cos square t naught plus sin square t naught, which is equal to pi. Thus, option C is correct, and option D, f dash t is equal to minus sin t comma cos t for all t, again this is correct. Therefore, option B, C and D are the correct options.